My name is Adil Mir. I am from Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. I am a low vision person. So for me, whenever there is issues reading the visiting cards or such small things, so at that moment I struggle a lot. There are some options which I use. So that is one of the solution is this magnifier, which is helping me out to read at least the major part of the visiting card. So the major part I can use either if the bright light is there, so I can use without light because this is a LED as well installed in it. So what I will do, if that light is bright, so I will use without this. Otherwise I felt that the light is very dim, so I will turn on the LED of this and then I will read it. So here it is the Acura Specialty Hospital, Dr. Muhammad Hanif, and it is like major things I am able to read with the support of this. So this is the solution which I am using when I have to read the visiting card. So we can't use this for a long period or reading the books or long documents. So for reading the visiting cards, we can use it.
Breakfreesolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.